everyone, welcome to my first ever hair review video, and it's the Hermosa Amazon hair. This is just a brief video to show how it looks after I style and install it, and for more, stay tuned. Hello, as stated earlier, welcome to my first ever YouTube hair tutorial video. It's not really a tutorial but a review of the Amazon Hermosa Kinky Curly hair. It's 16, 18, and 20 inches with a 14-inch closure. Okay, so just a little brief background about me. I am not a hairstylist in the least, but I like to save my coins. So I decided to purchase. This is actually my second time purchasing this bundle or this particular order. The first time it was stolen. No fault of Amazon, but unfortunately there are dishonest people. I guess everywhere you go. So it was stolen on the way to me. Anyways, so yeah. So I got the closure because although I've done a lace wig once before, I find it very difficult to not to construct but to install. So I decided to stick with the closure. It seems to be a bit simpler, and this is my first time doing a closure weave. So I'm here again doing my second ever YouTube video here to present to you this particular hair. And so I just want to review it. I must say the delivery was fast. I reordered it again 2 days before New Year's Day, and it came 2 days later. So it was like the 29th or 30th of December, and it came to the courier service address 2 days later, and I got it. And so here is the way I installed it. I will provide a link below, first of all, to the Amazon site that I ordered it from. Well, the link to where I ordered it from, and then also a link to the person who I actually saw review the hair originally. She's the only person I've seen actually review this particular hair. And then I will also include a link to the person who I've watched, the YouTuber I've watched to actually create the wig. I would say, first of all, the hair itself, it's soft. It says A plus 8A grade, and I don't know the grade system, but I can say it seems to be like real good human hair. I've had shedding, but I think the shedding was due to the fact that I actually cut the wefts and not because the hair was shedding itself. So far, since I've installed it, it was really easy and soft to maintain. Once I put the products in, especially, I was able to brush right through it and style it. In terms of customization, it's really easy to customize. Now, I still have in the front, right where the lace is, some customization to do because it's not completely my complexion, and that's no fault of the companies, but it's just something that I have to learn to do properly. So I mean, that's the only fault I've seen with it so far, and it's only been a day since I've basically installed it in my hair, but I'm loving it. I can see myself reordering this hair again, and as time go on, order another one. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm making it very short because I don't know much about hairstyling, but I just know I like to save money. And so hopefully this can be here to help somebody. Bye.